Everyone, I am Amit Kumar, SST teacher of Paramount Public School. Today I am going to teach class 6th geography topic, landforms of the earth. What type of landforms that we have on the earth? First, we know about our earth. The earth is made up of land and water. These are the two things that we have here on our earth. Around 29% of the earth's surface is covered with land, around 29%, and 71% by water. That 71% we have water and 29% we have land. So the earth's surface, like earth's surface is not equal everywhere. So the surface of the earth is not the same everywhere, not is of a same type, same plains that we have, or same mountains that we have, or same plateaus that we have. Some parts are flat and level, some are flat and level, and which we know that are called plains, while others are raised. Somewhere they are can say plateaus, and somewhere mountains. Landforms are natural features of the earth's surface. These are the natural features that we have. These landforms, these are the natural features of our earth that we have here. The major landforms of our earth are mountains. First we have mountains, then we have plateaus, plains, deserts, and rivers that we have. Deserts and rivers, these are the 5 main landforms that we have here on our earth. I want to explain you one more thing, that again there is 29% of our earth is covered with land and 71% with water. And the major landforms that we have: mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and rivers. So in this regard, first we discussed about mountains. Today, mountains. A mountain is a landform which rises more than 900 meters above the mean sea level. More than 900 meters, because plateaus are also a raised part from the earth, but not more than 900 meters. Up to 900 meters or less than it, but up to more than 900 meters are called mountains above the mean sea level. Mountains covers around about 20% of the total land of the earth. So on the earth's total surface of, that is, we have here 29% that we have land, and other one is covered with water, 71%. So by this 20% area that is covered of our earth with the mountains. Mountains differ in height and shape. Somewhere mountains are very high in India or around the world, we can talk about, and shapes. Somewhere shape is rectangular, somewhere that we can say is conical shape. The highest point of the mountain is called peak. At the top of it, the mountain peak, the highest point is known as peak, or we can say it summit. SUMMIT, summit. This height and shape more of the mountains depend on their age. That what is the age of these mountains? In India, if we talk about Himalayas, Himalayas are young mountains that we have. Himalayas from Jammu and Kashmir at the top of our India's map, up to that we have up to Assam, that is Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia, that is the parallel series range of mountains of Himalayas. So Himalayas are young mountains. And Aravallis that we have in Rajasthan, Aravallis are old mountains. So this depend on their age, that what is the height and what is the shape of the mountains. After that we have the characteristics or basic features that we have of mountains, that what is the importance of mountains. In this regard, I want to tell you that due to unsuitable climate, the vegetation is less, so we don't have so much facilities of our life, so there is less populated. So these less populated, so it's very good for our flora and fauna that we are not there to harm our flora and fauna. So there is less population are on the top of the mountains. Mountains act as barriers. Mountains act as barriers, that they stop hot and cold winds also that are coming inside the country, these mountains act as barriers to stop them. Some mountains are rich in minerals. Some mountains are rich in minerals, that we find so many types of minerals on these mountains. So today, up to this mountains that we have talked about. In the next topic, we will discuss about plateaus. Thank you.